Hey everyone, welcome back to Builder Broker Britt. If you're here, you're probably looking to make smart moves in real estate, right? Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial metrics for any investor, cash-on-cash return. If that sounds like finance jargon, don't worry, I've got you covered. So, what is cash-on-cash return? Simply put, it's the percentage of your cash investment you get back as profit each year. It's like the ROI's cooler, more specific cousin. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you bought a cute little rental property for $200,000. You put down 20%, which is $40,000. That's your cash investment. Now, let's say this property brings in $12,000 a year in net income after all expenses. How do we figure out the cash-on-cash return? The formula is super simple. Cash-on-cash return equals annual cash flow divided by total cash invested. So in our case, it's $12,000 divided by $40,000, which gives us 30%. That's pretty sweet. Now, why is this important? Well, it tells you how well your money is working for you. If you're getting a high percentage, your investment is likely a good one. And if it's low, you might want to reconsider. Let's spice things up with a real-life example. Meet Sarah. Sarah bought a duplex for $300,000. She put down $60,000 and financed the rest. After expenses, she's making $15,000 a year in net income. What's her cash-on-cash return? So, we take the $15,000 and divide it by $60,000. That's 25%. Sarah is getting a 25% return on her initial investment every year. Not bad, right? But wait, there's more. What if Sarah found a better financing deal? Let's say she only had to put down $50,000 instead of $60,000. Now her cash-on-cash return jumps to $15,000 divided by $50,000, which is 30%. Same property, better return. This is why negotiating your financing is so important. But beware, not all that glitters is gold. High cash-on-cash return can sometimes mean higher risk. Always do your due diligence. Check for hidden expenses, market conditions, and vacancy rates. And there you have it, folks. Cash-on-cash return in a nutshell. It's a powerful metric that helps you understand the true profitability of your real estate investments. So next time you're evaluating a deal, whip out that calculator and see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Builder Broker Britt for more real estate tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. And as always, happy investing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. We're talking debt service coverage ratios, also known as DSCR. You don't want to miss this one.